Hi, this is Frankie and I'm presenting the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 tutorial. First we go to All Programs and then look for Microsoft Office, look for PowerPoint 2007. Okay, this is the first screen that you see, and the first thing we want to do is to set the layout or the look of your slides. So go to the Home tab, you're already there. Click on the drop down box and look for title only. Here we go. Next thing we want to do is to set the design. Okay, so but before that, this layout just shows you a blank slide with a title text box. So go to the design tab and look for aspect theme. So here's the aspect design theme, so click on that. Notice it's got the title at the bottom here. Right, now we're going to save our file and just type the word Native American Literature. I already have it here, never mind, you type it in. You can just type it in without the PPTX and click save. There you go, your work is saved. Now we're going to create the slide master. So what's a slide master? Slide master is a slide that has got text or graphics that are found in every other slide. Okay. Right, so right now we're in the slide master tab. Click on the text box. Okay, or what we should do is 4.3, highlight the entire text, and then click on the drop down box here to select a different font color. So can you find red accent to darker 25%? Here you go. So this is the one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert clip art. So click on the insert tab, look for the clip art option, click on that. Now we are enter the word Native American here. Make sure that you've got all collections and all media file types. Click the go button. Depending on the speed of the internet connection, you might have to wait for a couple of minutes for this clip art to appear. So I'm just going to select any picture because you don't necessarily have to select the picture that's found in the notes. Okay, so I'm just going to click that by clicking on this little button here. There you go, it goes in. The other way to insert the graphic is by clicking on this drop down box and then clicking on insert. Okay, let me just resize that. So now that I've resized the picture, I'm going to go back to the slide master tab and click on close master view. So that's the end of the master slide. Now we're back to the single slides. So every slide will have a graphic here and every slide will have a title text box for us to edit. So I'm now at 5.1. I'm going to click and type Native American Literature. Okay, next I click on the insert tab and I'm going to insert another clip art. Of course the clip art is found here, so let's insert this this thing here. There you go. Okay, oh I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to just click on insert and go to text box. Okay, so click the text, click your cursor on any part, preferably the top left part. So I'm going to type presented by Miss Smith, literature class, Middletown High School. Okay, the text box will expand as I type it, so I'm going to highlight the whole font and let's try that again. Highlight the whole font, let go the mouse, this will automatically appear. This is your formatting minibar. I'm going to set the font to font 28. There we go. push this up a little bit. Now you need to refer back to the second page of your notes, and if you look at the top of the second page of your notes, you'll see that this text box belongs to somewhere up here, right? You see 2.0 slide design on the second page, which is the first page after your cover page. Yep, that's it. Okay, so let's get back to section 6 now. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to save my work again. Now I'm going to insert another. I'm going to go back to home and then click on new slide again. Now this time be careful, don't click that button, click the drop down button. So select title and content. Okay, so in the title section type fast facts. Okay, now this is where I need to type rather quickly because of the time. Each tribe had, okay, here we go, typos. Each tribe had its own creation myths, hero tales, trickster tales, and ritual. Sorry for all the noise in the background. Apologize for that. Anyway, let's try to focus on this. Native Americans in North America spoke over 500 different languages. Stories and myths were verbally passed from generation to generation. Okay, now I'm going to add in a clip art just to spice it up a little bit. And once again, click on clip art. Now I'm not going to bother to look for myths. I'm just going to select any of these pictures here. Okay, here you go. Okay, I clicked it twice, so just one click is enough, and I'm just going to resize that a little bit. Okay, next we have another slide, so go back to the home button, click new slide. Here you go. So just give me a couple of minutes. Let me fill this in. Storytelling. Oops, S-T-O-R-Y. Storytelling, often focused on living in harmony with the natural world, kinship with animals, plants, the land, and heavenly bodies. Humans do not have dominion over nature. So I'm just going to add in the next picture that comes to my mind, which is this picture here. Okay, there we go. So just resize that, make it a little bit bigger. Save. Home. Insert a new slide. Let's click this. Natural elements were often personified, such as Mother Earth or Father Sky, and they were viewed as close family members. So let's add in another picture. Okay, that will do. Let's add in this interesting picture of a bird. Save. Home. New slide. Okay, coyote, trickster stories were used to explain strange phenomenon or life's multiplicity and paradoxes. So let's just add this in. Now I'm going to click on this drop down box and click the insert button. So it's the same effect if I were to just click on the icon. There's a little lag here. Okay, there we go. Last slide, save, home, new slide. Just type any questions, question mark, and let me just add this one more picture here. Okay, I'll just leave that there. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is look at the slide transitions part 8. Transition means moving from one section to another section. So I'm going to click the thumbnail of the first slide. I'm going to click on Animations tab and select this one, which is called Fade Smoothly. Okay, so if I move my cursor, the screen shows me a preview of what the transition will look like, so that you see the slide is displaying with a fading motion. So I'm going to click that. Next I'm going to go to the option up here to select speed, which is fast, and apply to all. Okay, so this will apply to all the slides. Okay, now because I clicked apply to all, it applies to all the slides. Now I'm going to change the transition for slide number 3. So when I click on slide number 3, I'm going to change the time to not 20 seconds as what is shown in your notes. I'm going to change that to 3 seconds. Okay, and then for the I'm going to click apply to all. Click on the next one. I'm going to change that to 15 seconds. Let's see now. That's 3 seconds. That's 3 seconds. Okay, I need to undo 2 steps. Let's go back to here. Okay, that's good. So this doesn't automatically go after 3 seconds. That neither does that. That goes only on the mouse click. This one, make sure it goes after 3 seconds. Next 3 slides. This one I'm going to change that to 5 seconds. Change to 4 seconds. Sorry. This one here change to 5 seconds, and the last one just change to 6 seconds. No, we don't need that. That's enough. That's enough. So 0 seconds, 0 seconds. This will automatically the slide will advance after 3 seconds. So this slide will last for 3 seconds. This slide will last for 4 seconds before going on to the last slide. This slide will last for 5 seconds, and finally we'll go to the last slide. Okay, just save that. Right, now I'm at number 9, which is animations. Animations means that we can determine, or we can make each element of your slide move in a different manner. So I'm going to just click on the thumbnail of the second slide. I'm now at 9.1. Under 9.2, I need to go to custom animation. Let me close this clip art tab. I'm going to go to custom animation. You should see this box, this dialog box. Okay. Next, I'm going to select the text box. That's the text box being selected. Add effect, entrance. I'm going to select fly in. So that's how it flies in. However, the direction by default is from up to down. Now I'm going to change the direction to from the right. And as for the speed, I'm going to change that to medium. So that's how your text box looks like. Okay, now let's select the third one. That's the third slide. I'm now at 9.9, 9.10, 9.10. Click the text box, press the control key down so that I can do a multiple select on the clip art. So now the text box and the clip art have been selected. So click on add effect, add entrance, look for diamond. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Both the text box as well as the clip art will come in as a diamond shape. Yeah. So let's change the speed to slow. And so that's what it looks like. Okay. So we can just set the effect, entrance for box, for example. Let's set a few more things here. Click on this. We don't really need to follow the notes. We can make it up as we go along. Now I'm now at part 10, which is to view the slideshow. But before that, let's save our slide, and you go to the slideshow tab, and here I have a choice of clicking to show the slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. I'm right now at slide number 5. So I want to see the slideshow from the very beginning. I'm going to click at this button, and let's have a look at how it goes. Okay, that's a fade in. You need to press the spacebar. Okay, so here we see the slide coming in. Spacebar, spacebar. Okay, there you go. There's a transition there. Automatically, I don't need to press the spacebar, it will transit. It will change from one slide to another slide. Okay, the last thing is to do the printing, so we can click on the office button and print. Now when you print the slides, you can print as a handout, in which case you can print 6 together, or if you print as a slide, you will print a single slide at a time. So let me just print as a handout, 6 slides per page, and just to show you what it looks like, I'm going to save my work as to print it out to a PDF file. Okay, so that you can see what it looks like. So just hold on a few seconds. There you go. So if I were to print to the printer, this is what my output would look like. Okay, I'm loading up the file. We've almost finished, and there you go. This is what it looks like, 6 slides in one page. Okay, so hope you had fun watching this video. Sorry about the noise in the background, but I hope you are able to focus, and the important thing is to know how to do the slide formatting, master slide, slide transitions, slide animations. Okay, thank you very much.